In this video, I'm going to share about numbers revision. In IGCSE exam, P1, P2 paper for both extended and core. From the numbers topic, 2 marks must be there. It's related to the numbers. The question will be like that. They will give some numbers, different kind of numbers. It may be decimal, fraction, percentage, rational, irrational numbers, like that. Then the question will ask, write the numbers in order with smallest first. So let's check some questions. These are some questions I just collected from past papers. There's some questions from core and some questions from extended. Both I included. Write the following in order to starting with the smallest. Look, there are different kind of numbers. Fraction is there, decimal is there, percentage is there. Then rational numbers, irrational numbers, some 10 to the power minus 1, like that, many are there. So we have to check one by one how we can solve easily. First of all, I would like to say about this question maximum you will get only 2 marks. So at most you can spend for these questions at most maximum only 30 seconds, something like that. Try to do before that. Maximum you can spend only 30 seconds. So let's check the first question. Write the following in order to starting with the smallest. Firstly, what we have to do is different type of numbers are there. All the type of numbers you have to change into the decimal format. First we can check 3 by 4. Just you can do calculator. This 3 by 4 it will come 0.75. 0.749 is it already in the decimal form, no need to change. 76 percentage means how we can convert 76 divided by 100. Then 0.76. Then again one more fraction is there, that means 11 by 15, 0.733. Then these are the decimals we got. Now all the numbers in the same format, same type. That means the decimal. Then why I wrote 3 decimal place? Some answers are coming 0.733, 0.749. So I changed all the numbers in the 3 decimal form. After the decimal, if you have one number, then later after that you can put 0 also, no problem. How much 0 you want, you can just put, the value will not change. 0.75, you can add 0, the value is 0.75. Okay, then another way is that now we go to decimal. From here also you can find the smallest if you can. If you can, you can do that. But some students maybe is very difficult, the decimal, that time maybe because of the pressure or something like that. Most of the students will do mistake. So for that mistake we can avoid like this. These decimals you can just change into the digits, all numbers. For example, 0.750, you can think about 750. 0.749, you can just think about 749. Like that, 0.760, 760, 0.733, 730. Then easily you will get it, the idea which is the smallest. Like that also you have to do some mental work, then it will be very easy. Then you can just circle it immediately. 1 2 3 means the time you have to maximum use. Like this question you can spend maximum 30 seconds. Don't exceed that. So like that we can do. Now we get which is the smallest one. Smallest one is 0.733. That means don't write the decimal number. You have to write which number is given in the question. So think about it. Don't write the decimal. You have to write the number which given the question. That is 11 by 5 you can write first. Next number is 0.749 because 749. The next is 0.749 already in the decimal form. The next is 0.50, right? That means 3 by 4. The last is 76%. This is the very easy question actually when we check the past paper. But sometimes students may make mistakes. Next question, write the following numbers in order starting with the smallest. Same question pattern. Here also fraction is there, irrational number is there, then percentages, and again one more fraction is there. Same the procedure, you can follow what I shared, what I just explained before. All those things you can change the decimal format. Then if the decimal, from the decimal format, if you can find, you can do that. That's better. That is a good way. Again, if you confuse me, just change into all numbers. Means 0.4545 means 4545. Like that you can just think. No need to write somewhere. You have to do mental work. You can do. Then you can find easily which is the smallest. Then from this you can check 0.4472, 0.450, which is the smallest one. 0.4472 is the smallest. Then 0.450, then 0.44742 means root 0.2 is the smallest. Then bigger number 9 by 20, 5 by 11, and the last number 45.4%. Write this in order to the size. Next, the question same actually. 5 by 7 is there, that means fraction is there, then percentage, then one exponential number is there, then again one more indices is there, like the index form also there. Now just a change. Now very easily we can identify the smallest number and you can convert to the decimal. Then here 0.185, the last is 0.2. If you have any difficulty you can change 0.200, then 200 it will come in your mind automatically. 200, okay, 185, 184, 183, 200, easily 183. That means 0.183 is the smallest. That means 1.83 into 10 to the power minus, that is the smallest. Then you will get next bigger number. The last biggest is the 0.2, that is 5 to the power minus 1. This also same pattern. Here pi by 4 is there, 1 by root 2 is there, 3 by 4 sin 47. You have to calculate easily using calculator. Pi by 4 how much it will come, 0.7853. You can while you are using watching the video, you have to use the calculator at a time, means that's very good. Please I do just suggest you to use calculator while you are just watching the video. So 0.7853 something, 0.7071, like that numbers. From that you can easily identify which is the smallest one. That means 70 is there. Okay, 0.707, that is 1 by root 2. Okay, first all this also another way is also the first decimal place 0.777. The next is 8053. Like that also we can check. Different methods are there. Which one is your convenient to do, that method you can follow. Then here the question is actually in IGCSE there is one problem is there. One problem means that the question pattern, question form, you have to read the question first. Simply just see the question and write the answer. That is not good in the IGCSE method of exam. So the question you have to just read. There are many numbers. Okay, just you will think, okay, this is the smallest. Okay, all the numbers you will change into the decimal. Then you will start to write smallest to the first. First you can write the 3 numbers from the list above which have the same value. which number is the same value. You have to just convert, same like the procedure what we did before, change into the decimal place. So first is 0.09, okay, same decimal place. 90% you can change, that means 0.90, like that. Then after that you can check which are the same decimal number you got. So 0.09, 9%, that means 0.0, that yellow I highlighted, those are the same decimal place. That means the answer is 0.09, 9%, 90%, 9%, 9 by 100, sorry, 0.09, 9%, 9 by 100, these are the answer. But if you are not reading the question correctly, what will happen? You will simply write all the numbers which it is in order with the smallest first. First of all, you have to read the question, which are the things you have to find out, that we have to find first. Simply reading and question and do, that's not good. Then these are the, again I want to highlight this type of question. And these are the some expected questions from past paper, the numbers, especially these are the question I collected from the past paper. But in exam, actually you have not get much time to spend these type of questions. From these questions you will get only 2 marks, but so this you have to spend time also very little, means that I told before 30 seconds maximum you can give. So practice more, do mental work, do not spend more time for writing and simply writing and calculating, no need that. Maximum you can spend 30 seconds of only. So thank you. I think I hope you got the idea. Then after watching the video, you have to just to go through the past papers and collect the